Okay, so now let's create a classic monkey. Okay, so this is my first ever first ever figure monkey that I created and I learned many years ago. Okay, way back 2005. I'll show you. Okay, so now we need to inflate a balloon like this, fully inflated. And now, in this figure, just create a 2-inch bubble here and a loop. Okay, got it? A loop. So this loop will serve as the head of our monkey. Just put this mouth of your monkey here. That's it. This is the monkey. It's look like a poodle, but according to my book, this is the proper way to make a head of the monkey. Now let's create the arms and the feet and the body all together. Okay, so here we go. 2-inch bubble, another 2-inch bubble here, and another 2-inch bubble here, and lastly another 2-inch bubble here. Put it together to create a loop like this. Okay, so we have the arms and the legs of our monkey. Put this would be the body and the tail. The last part would be the tail. Put it like this. Okay, press this so that it will lock this up. So it's locked already. So basically, this is the monkey. This is the classic version of a monkey. Now we need a tree. So let's use this. Let's pretend that this is a tree. I'm not gonna make a literal tree like a leaves here and a banana here. We don't need that because on my other courses, I'm gonna teach you how to create those things. So right after this, you need to enroll on those courses to learn more about creating more figures like this. So this is just a basic. Okay, so now this is the monkey, and you just put the monkey here, exactly right here. So this is it. So if you're using our imagination here, this the leaves and the whole tree. That's it. And this is the monkey, the basic version of a monkey. Have fun, enjoy.